So here's one you don't come across very often. This is a VW t6.1. It is four-wheel drive, 4Motion, and it is DSG, and it's 200 brake horsepower version, and it looks fantastic in the red and the black. Have a look at this. Good afternoon, it's Alistair from Motorhome Depot, and this afternoon I'm looking at a beautiful ruby red VW t6.1, but this is something special. This is DSG, it's 4-wheel drive, and it is 200 brake horsepower, and it's a conversion done by Rolling Homes, so it's top of the range, and it looks something like this. So, as you can see, looking great in this ruby red, Rolling Homes in the black splitter at the front, T6, these beautiful black wheels, looking absolutely fantastic. This beautiful Rolling Homes conversion comes with the huge SCA popped up on there, top quality, 2-lay awning, wind out awning there, along with a 2-lay bike rack at the back. It looks great in the red. So, tailgate on the back, 4-back bike rack from 2-lay, upgraded hydraulic dampers in the back here to hold up the tailgate because of the extra weight, and this lovely carbon fibre effect cover for the bumper. You can see here you've got the rear of the rib bed, so it's not a rock and roll bed, it's actually a rib bed, so it folds down, very comfortable to sleep on. Huge storage cupboard with all the camping bits and pieces. You've got your water there, leisure battery is in there, hook up cable, wind out for the awning, and then underneath is the 230 hookup point just under there. So this has the black running bars at the bottom there, and the mirrors colour coded to the vehicle. Beautiful. Seeing how great it looks on the outside, let's have a look-see inside on the camping side. So, light, bright, modern area, Rolling Homes, fantastic converters, top quality, everything that you'd want in here. It's got diesel heater, it's got air conditioning at the front, it's got this huge SCA popped up on the roof. Going inside, you can see you've got your 2 captain seats at the front there, you've got your little heater blower just there, compressor fridge freezer down here, you've got hob, sink with a free kettle in it, and then you've got your controller for your heater just there. As I say, there's an inverter in here so that you're getting maximum use out of leisure battery, and so you're able to use it off-site, off-grid. You don't need to be hooked up to use the 230. Down here, huge cabinet, huge cupboard storage space, your gas bottle just down under there, so you should be able to see that, and even more, well, plenty of storage space there, more storage at the top here, cupboard here full of hidey holes and with charging points in it as well, very useful, plenty of charging points in here. So let's have a look at that rib bed. I'll pop that out and you can see how that comes out as easily. So, very easy to do. All you're going to do, lift the lever this side, which drops the front part of the bed, and so you can put it to whatever height and angle you want. Plenty of storage space under here, there's the silver screens, and I think there's a porta potty under there, all sorts of bits and pieces. We then lift the bar here, and that drops down, and there you have, as simply as that, your huge double bed there. Fantastic, very easy to use. Ready for a good comfy night's sleep, I would suggest. And of course the other sleeping compartment up the top here, we pulled out the beadboard, and there we have a nice large bed. There's a topper in which comes with this as well as this little mattress that's here. You see, classic VW Transporter front end, multifunction steering wheel, it's got air conditioning, DSG, it's got sat nav there, everything that you'd want to get away in. So here we have a VW t6.1 rolling homes campervan conversion, looking fantastic on the outside in the red and the black. It's DSG, it's 4-wheel drive, it's 200 brake horsepower, it's got solar, it's got a diesel heater, it's got everything you want for getting away all year round. What a fantastic piece of kit. If you'd like to know any more about this lovely campervan, if you'd like to come down and have a viewing, have a look around, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Give me a ring, give me a text, give me a WhatsApp, any way you like it, but please just get in touch. Thanks very much.